Today we're out in Plant City, Florida, where we're restoring stability to the foundation to this old concrete commercial building that's just got weak, loose, sandy soil, and you can see some of the light stair-step cracking on the wall, and the building is just starting to settle, and they want to get it back on solid ground. And the solution, what we came up with, we're installing 32 helical piers. So along the foundation, you can see we're prepping some of the holes. We have a bobcat behind me that's, we found on this project, there was some really thick concrete that we needed to get through to attach the bracket to the foundation of the building. Behind me, the guys are installing a deep foundation system with helical piers. Here is one that was already inserted down to about 50 to 60 feet. We're gonna slide this steel bracket on. Here's the bracket that's gonna slide underneath to support the foundation, and we're gonna repeat that process all the way down the length of the wall. And once we're done, this building is gonna be back on solid ground on a strong foundation that takes the load bearing from those loose upper sandy soils and extends down to load bearing competent strata that the helical locks into at 6,000 foot-pounds. And we have Felix on the excavator prepping one of the holes, so once he's done, it's going to look similar to this, and that's ready to get the bracket, install the helical, then slide the bracket on and get it fixed into place. So we're gonna work the length of the wall, and once those are installed to 60 feet, this older building is gonna be back on solid ground and the foundation strong again. So if you're a GC, whether you're commercial or residential, and your foundation is settling or cracking and needs extra deep foundation support system like helical piers, push piers, micropiles, reach out to Helicon. We're always happy to collaborate with you and find out the best solution for your project.